Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today I'm out here on the production floor and I'm with our scheduling team. I got Tracy, Garrett, and Jayne Davis. So this is the scheduling board for the saw department. So you want to tell kind of what goes on here.
So what this does, we break down each line, the production for each day that they're going to be running. What it does is tells them how many hours they're going to be having, and when it has the capacity on there, and when they need to go over the capacity, we put the over capacity magnet on it, letting the saw department work leaders know where to put the additional manpower needed.
So Jayne, you kind of own this board. So you come in, you get up on your stool, and you fill out the numbers.
Yes.
All right. And then the leader of the saw department, he comes over and sees where what he's got to do.
Yes.
And as you said, if he's over capacity, he's got to add more people to it.
Yes, more man out.
All right. Okay. So that's what we got in the saw department. That's how we make sure that we get everything ready so we can flow to the welding department. All right. That's all we got this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.